So this is what, 2.5 hours after an L5 stroke S1 instrumented lumbar fusion, and we did the dynamic stabilisation at the L3-4 level. So first of all, can you see if you can improve your posture? Does it feel any different to you?
Yeah, I've got pain there, but that is not new.
Yeah.
So the previous.
Anything down your legs?
Not undue. I mean,
A little bit there.
The problem is I've got these other issues.
Yes, the knees.
That left knee is.
Yeah, because you've had it for so many years. There was so much scar tissue there. It's amazing, you know, for putting screws in there and the dynamic stabilization device. This is great to see you standing upright. It's fantastic. Good, excellent.